Everyone, good afternoon and welcome to the Lagos Stadium where football meets festivity on this special Christmas Eve. It is the 24th of December 2025 and the air filled with celebration, anticipation and the timelessness was not even part of the warm-up session there, but these two sides walk onto the pitch now looking forward to a very exciting moment there. 90 minutes lie ahead, only 90 minutes to celebrate courage, rivalry and brilliance on this Christmas Eve.
Eager for Abdul Karim Tito. He's come under lots of pressure, but now he seems to have the full complement of his team, and that is where he is very much happy to have lots of them available. Without a pen.
Well, absolutely. They're match officials for today's game. Selon Blesiao, there's a center referee. He'll be assisted in lines 1 there by Roland Nidodu Adi in lines 2. There's Paul Kojo Atimaka, and the match officials are Juliet Nunu Aqua, and there's the match officials for today's game. The Kumasi Asante Kotoko certainly walking into this particular game, having made 4 changes there. And Francis Aqua replacing Patrick Asiedu, as well as Murphy Donzo sitting out for Kwame Poku. Walid Fuseni is not starting today. Baba Yara is rather playing ahead of him, and also expecting the likes of Joseph Amwa sitting down for Lord Amwa to start in the day's game. There's a bit of an interesting story then in terms of the lineup there.
Balanced possession so far against Kotoko. They look more settled than the Porcupines.
Which is high press football there from Wonders. Cutting off all the supplies from Kotoko. And here comes Amidu Aqua in the box. Amidu Aqua dragging in. Amidu Aqua.
Patrick Asiedu, but that was clever for him.
Peter Amidu Aqua. Twits and turn. 2 minute touches there. Peter Amidu Aqua in the box. Amidu Aqua hits one and he scores. Peter Amidu Aqua created the goal and scored for himself. A lot of slalom run in the 18-yard box area, but Peter Amidu Aqua, at one point, it didn't look like it was going in, but he had to create it, he has to make it for himself, and Kotoko, out of nothing, lead 11 Wonders by a goal to nil.
This two was too scrappy. The persistency of Peter counted. He nearly lost the ball. He continued to chase it, getting the ball to the right-hand side. I'm not sure the full circumference crossed the line.
And here comes Kotoko again in the box, ball dragged back. Amidu Aqua! For the free, it's a corner kick into the far post once again. He's been attacked, and Hamza was the last player to attack the ball there. And it was so it's going to be 11 Wonders kicking us into the second half. Side that is. And here, I'm waiting now for the Porcupine Warriors. Left foot drags it down, and now the Porcupine Warriors want to try this from long range. Tackle there. At least a safer for Kotoko, and Samba O'Neill finally delivers something special. Baba Yaya here, charging forward. Now, moving from defense into attack, Asante Kotoko. We'll have Amidu Aqua. Yaya in the box, waiting to cut one back. Does well. Amidu Aqua and Kwampoku really trying to come in here with a drive from Hubert Jehu. And, well, touchy here for Kotoko. Dragging the ball down the left-hand side. Amidu Aqua. Jehu again. And Kotoko just hitting the balls into any space at all. Ensure that at least they put pressure on Kotoko. Amidu Aqua. And trying to cut in here. Amidu Aqua. Now finds entry. Back to Amidu Aqua. Johnson is waiting in the box. Amidu Aqua tearing away. Entry. Trying to hit this one, but has been picked up. Into very good territory there. Amidu Aqua dragging the ball back. Aqua, also Johnson, and now there's a diving header here from Amo.
That was quite dangerous there. Very good delivery there. But he can also applaud the defenders.
Amo here going in with the right, and it goes wide again. And 2 clear chances there for the Porcupine Warriors. Very good player, Aware. And here comes Eden, and now it's going to be Issa, and again just sweeping across the face of goal there. Amidu Aqua has been given a chance now, drags to entry, tense well, entry wants to advertise for a long ball, it's been blocked, and now entry again, and that's trying to win the second balls, and they've done that again. And here comes Philip Amo in the box. Philip Amo trying the ball back, and Kotoko again struggling, and very Again, it's an intervention there from Samba O'Neill. And Seth Kojo and Entry going in with something Entry. And again, it's a routine ball there picked up by Bar.
There's no way the referee was going to give that as a penalty.
Johnson again, giving a chance. Can he make it two for Kotoko? Johnson rounds everybody up, and finally, Johnson gets the goal that he's so much been calling for. If the first one was debatable, this is delightful for him, and now he can afford to dance. He can afford to celebrate.
May not be up there, but 11 Wonders haven't also given enough quality to test the Porcupines. It'll be good victory, just a point behind Aduana FC.
Corner kicks in the airport has been attacked and headed out by Entry, and a rebound has been. It says Asante Kotoko will run away with a 3 point, and it's going to be the 11th